8mm socket. Location of one of the holding bolts is right here. That's the easy one to get to. The other one is not so easy. And it's located over here by the right side kick panel. 8mm also. Good thing about plastic is sometimes you can do it by hand without a ratchet. Then you're just going to pull down on the plastic shield and you can get it down out of the way. You don't need to take it all the way out. This red clip, just grab it by the ears like this and give it a pull out. Then you can just squeeze that tab, pull the connector out. So this is going to be an 8mm or a 5/16 socket. 8mm is a little loose. Good thing is it's plastic still, so it's not difficult to loosen up. And then just slide it right back out. So to install the new resistor, we're just going to reverse procedure. I'm going to line it up. Start my 2 mounting screws by hand. Just snug it up. You don't have to over tighten it. It's plastic. Line your connector up. Push it in. Push the lock clip in. Give it a tug. Good to go. Now let's line up the kick panel. And this is the harder of the two to get mounted. Don't be afraid to get your head right down in there. So now we're just going to snug it up. Get to that back one, do the same.